see if we have anything there, and trying to see what it is. Let me get the light quick so we can see better. Okay guys, let's see now the moment of the truth. Okay, you can see oil pan here, everything looks fine so far. Oil filter, everything's tight, everything's like it should be. Okay, the boost here pipe, an intercooler pipe, and we have a problem right there that we need to address. Okay, you can see that CV boot that we have the clamp on. We need to get that thing tight because we washed, as you can see, we washed the grease out of the CV axle, the inner CV axle. So we need to fix that one. Definitely need to replace the bottom engine mount. It's looking fine now, but you can feel it, like if you're going over 4,000 RPMs, and when you shift it, you can just feel the engine moving, so that's not good. But so far everything looks good here. There is nothing loose. So let's go on top and see if we can find something. Okay, so nothing underneath. Check there, everything looks fine, but there is something loose somewhere that's causing a little bit of trouble. Okay, that thing will not create such a noise even though it's a little loose. Okay, we need to check that engine mount. Okay, and that's where our problem is, guys. Okay, that engine mount right there, the passenger side engine mount, you can see where the bolt slid back and forth, the mount in the bolt. So you can see, okay, let me pull that hose. Okay, look at that thing. Okay, that's where our problem is. So I'll go ahead, get the tools ready, remove the, you can see right here, the coolant, maybe a little bit out of the way, so we can get to the two. We have three bolts actually, one underneath right there. So we need to get it tight. We'll go give it a hard time again. Today there is a little autocross, it's like a hobby thing, you know, here in town that there is a big car meet. So we'll go ahead and see how it does there too. But let's go ahead and get it tight now and see if that causes the problem. So we drove the car to the shop. It might be a little bit hot, hopefully we don't spray coolant everywhere. I want to release the pressure of the system because, okay, just a little bit of pressure, not much. Okay, that's good now. We can go ahead and put it back on because we'll need to disconnect that little hose that we have right here. This is definitely breakable, so we need to just squish right here and pull it straight, otherwise that little tube is very easy to break. The other two are rubber hoses, so they're perfectly fine. Okay guys, bolt right there. Okay, the back one, check this one out. Okay, now let's go and check it if it's tight. That thing is completely loose. That's ridiculous. Okay, we need to get this one tight. It got loose. I don't know how. If it does it again, we probably need to put thread lock on it. Okay, we need to get this one as tight as we can without breaking the bolt. Okay, let's get that thing tightened up. Yeah, and let's see this one. This one is loose too. That's unbelievable. Okay, one more on the front right there that we need to do. So all three bolts were pretty loose. Okay, we're time to put the coolant tank on, and it goes only in a certain angle. So we're trying to be careful not to spill it everywhere. We're holding the hole there. Probably should wear gloves holding coolant. Okay, just one thing about it doesn't have bolts or anything like that. It just slides. It has 3 slots that it goes to. And all we have to do now, just connect the little tube. Okay, the overflow tube. Get it tight because I got that thing loose. And now let's go ahead, guys, and give it a ride and give it a good drive and see what happens.